that thoughts influence our reality, but did you know that writing down your dream life can also turn into reality? Keep watching this video to find out how scripting can change your life. Hi guys, I'm Jyotsna and today we're gonna talk all about scripting and how to script your dream life into reality. So let's get started. So just in case you don't understand what scripting really is, it is nothing but a technique in order to manifest your dream life or your desires by literally writing a script for yourself. To give you a simple example, imagine that you have a movie and you are playing the lead role or the main character. You know, they say be the main character in your life. So something similar to that. You're playing the main character in the movie, but at the same time you are also the writer of that movie, you're also the director of that movie, and you get to control every aspect that you tell in the story. And the film is based on every tiny detail that you specify and you write it down. So scripting is technically that you're just writing down the things that you visualize or the things that you desire. It is not some magical trick or a magical solution. A lot of people think law of attraction is a concept where you just write down things and it just magically happens. Like, no, it's a mindset shift that you're doing. You're going to take aligned action, you're going to set an intention while writing down and scripting the kind of life that you want, and that is what is going to get you to the real outcome. Because in a way, it's the power of your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is preparing you for that reality that you wrote down, and it is just preparing you to take the aligned actions or the possible steps that you can take in order to manifest it into reality. Scripting is just a technique that helps you manifest faster, and at the same time it allows you to get that mindset shift, it allows you to change your perspective, and it allows you to take that certain action that you need to in order to live your dream life. So yeah, we're gonna talk about how exactly you can script in order to get all of your dreams into reality. So let's start with step one. So step one is to talk about what you truly want. In the script that you're writing, talk about what really aligns with you and what is authentic to you. Suppose you want to be a writer, what kind of writer do you want to be, what kind of genre do you want to focus on, and what kind of joy does it bring you while writing. So talk about things like that. Don't focus on any negative things or any negative doubts that you have in the script that you write. Your script has to be truly optimistic, positive, and in a lot of good energy. Write it in a tone where you're super appreciative about what's happening, and at the same time you're super blessed and grateful. If you don't know what the lucky girl syndrome is, you can check out the lucky girl syndrome to get an idea on how you want your vision to be and how you want your script to be. So whatever script you're writing down, don't focus on any of the negative stuff, focus on the positive stuff, and focus on what you truly want, like your authentic self wants. Truly, what I mean is, you cannot write things like, I want to have $1 million right now, I'm so grateful, thank you so much universe, thank you God for giving me $1 million. Like, you need to be specific on why you want that $1 million, how you have used that $1 million, what kind of service did you give people in order to receive that $1 million. So get that specific about it and write it down in your script. Just avoid using any kind of negative statements or negativity. It just spoils the entire tone or the message of your script. You just want to attract positive things, so just be as positive and as grateful as you can. Try to have a positive tone in your script. It really works. I like starting off my script by saying I am truly blessed, or thank you God for so and so. Also use statements like I am so happy that it has finally happened, I am truly in shock but at the same time extremely grateful or extremely blessed. Try to use words like I am blessed, I am lucky, I am in a lot of gratitude, I'm so thankful, things like this. So you can start off your script in the same manner, or you can just write down statements which are super positive, or like affirmations that will help you feel super positive and like make you feel good energy. So that's exactly what you want to script, and yeah, that's step one. Step two is to always script in the present tense. You need to imagine like that is your life already, even if it has not manifested yet. If I'm trying to manifest a car, my script would go something like I am so grateful and I'm so happy, I finally went to the showroom today and I bought my car. It feels so good, it's green in color, just the way I imagined it to be. So I am just making things up, like you can see, but that's exactly what you want to say, and you want to end the statement or whatever you've written down by saying that I am so thankful that I finally own a car. Now I can travel to places, go wherever I want to. I've wanted this for so long. So thank you universe, or thank you God, or thank you XYZ, whatever you prefer. So just script whatever you want as if you already have it, and imagine and also feel those emotions like you already have it. Like if you really wanted a car and you finally have it, how are you going to feel? How is that car going to help you in your life? How do you feel emotionally about buying a brand new car? You know, like script everything in the present tense. Try to be like emotionally content and satisfied with what you have. Feel good while writing it down. And yeah, that's just step 2. Step 3 is to be as specific as you can. So like I mentioned, I was trying to manifest a job for the longest time back when I was in India, and I was very specific about it. I was very specific about the role I wanted. I was very specific about the company that I wanted to work in, and I was also very specific about what my pay or my salary should be like. That's the kind of specific details you need to visualize and write it down. You can take a few minutes before writing down to just visualize and know exactly what you want, and then start scripting it. That really helps you understand and get into the details. The more specific you are, the more clarity the universe has, as well as your subconscious mind. That's the reason you need to be as specific as you can. Get into the details, imagine and have like a vivid picture of what exactly you want, and then script. It really helps when you're more specific about it. Step 4 is to read the script that you've written down. So this is again optional. You don't have to read your script every single day. There are times that I write down something, I read like once in 2 months or 3 months just to remind myself or to get it into my subconscious mind. Or sometimes I just write it down, I read it the time I write it, and then I let go of it. So this is totally your option and what you want to do, because a lot of people, when they write down something and read every single day and like overdo it, like read it like 3 times 4 times or something, they kind of give out that desperate energy, and that's not the kind of message that you want to send the universe. You want to show them that you already have it. You want to prepare yourself and take whatever action that you need to in order to manifest it into reality. So step 6 is just to set your intention and let it go. Get completely detached to what you write. Don't be desperate about it. Don't think about it. Don't overthink what you've written. Don't try to change your script or edit it out. Just let it go. Be completely detached. Imagine that you already have it. Feel grateful for your current reality, and that's it. Very important to trust your process and do not get discouraged. There will be a lot of consequences or situations where the universe is testing you, but you have to be strong. You have to be emotionally detached. You do not have to react to any of bad situations happening, or if your manifestation is not coming into reality. You just have to wait. It's just not the right timing yet. So yeah, just trust the universe, let it go, be completely detached, and see it manifest into your life. That was it for today's video. I hope you found this useful. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to watch more content related to law of attraction or just manifesting in general. And yeah, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video. Lots of love. Bye. Why am I not getting any words while